Welcome to Tech Aarambham. Today we are exploring Java versus C++, two of the most important programming languages in the tech world. Understanding their differences is a key, not just for interviews, but also to know which language to choose for your project. Whether Part 1, Code Architecture. Let's start with how these languages are compiled and run. C++ is compiled directly into native machine code. This means it only works on the operating system it was compiled for. So it is platform dependent. On the other hand, Java is compiled into bytecode, which runs on Java Virtual Machine. The JVM act like translator, allowing Java to run on any device with a JVM installed. This is why Java is famous for write once, run anywhere or ORAW. The next language type is Java is pure object-oriented programming language. Almost everything must be inside a class. On the other hand, C++ is a multi-paradigm which supports both object-oriented as well as procedural programming language. This flexibility in C++ lets developers sometimes write functions outside of the classes for efficiency, which can make programs faster but also more complex. Let's talk about part 2, which focus on memory pointer safety with respect to C++ and Java. One of the biggest differences is memory management. Java uses automatic memory management via a concept called garbage collector. The garbage collector cleans up unused objects automatically, which prevents memory leaks and dangling pointers. This safety comes at slight performance cost. On the other hand, C++ requires manual memory management. Developers must allocate, deallocate memory using new and delete. This gives full control over resources and performance, but errors like memory leaks or crashes can happen if not handled carefully. Last, pointers. It is another key difference. C++ allows direct pointer manipulation, which give access to memory locations. This is a powerful but can cause runtime errors like segmentation faults. On the other hand, Java doesn't support directly pointers using safer references instead. Part 3, Advanced Features, Performance and Use Cases. Let's talk about inheritance and exception handling. Very, very important concepts. Multiple inheritance in Java avoids the diamond problem by allowing a single class inheritance and using interfaces for extra functionality. Whereas C++ allows multiple class inheritance, which can sometimes create ambiguity. Second one, exception handling. Java uses checked exceptions, forcing predictable errors to be handled at compile time. On the other hand, C++ exceptions are unchecked, typically handled at runtime, giving more flexibility but less safety. Last one, performance. Java is slightly slower due to JVM interpretation and garbage collection. On the other hand, C++ is faster because it compiles directly into native machine code. Finally, final prediction. So Java is recommended for enterprise software, web application, and on-road apps, where stability and rapid development is utmost important. Whereas C++ is more suitable for games, operating system, and high performance systems and scenarios which require direct hardware control. Thank you all.